Heyo, it's Olga here. Exactly 1 year back, we went on a trip to celebrate my birthday. To make it special, we selected a special destination, Rangamati's Kaptai Lake. Here is how it went. This is me recording an intro on time-lapse mode, so we'll never know what I actually said. But there we are, on a bus from Chittagong to Kaptai. There were 4 of us, Saveli, our friends Anirban and Sharafat, and I. The bus we took only got us half of the way to our destination, so we had to take a CNG to get to the lake. On the way, we passed a security post where we had to show our permits, sign our names, and of course, take pictures with the guards. Then, we hit a dead end where the road was blocked due to bridge construction, and we had to walk to the other side and catch another CNG there. That other CNG struggled, and we had to help it up some hills. Oof, we were running super late, so I was quite stressed. Finally, we arrived to where our houseboat awaited us and set sail. Such boats are becoming increasingly popular and are available at large water bodies of Bangladesh.
Итак, мы на лодке, наконец-то до нее добрались. И тут очень классно.
Да.
Сейчас покажу.
Here is the boat tour. Our boat is 2-storied. 3 double beds, a toilet and a shower on the bottom floor. Note the decor with the local textiles. Loved it. We sailed across the Kaptai Lake for a while and hardly covered half of it. This is, after all, the country's largest lake. It was artificially created during the Pakistan times when the river Karnaphuli was dammed as part of construction of a hydraulic power plant. The river valley was flooded and now is the Kaptai Lake. The islands you see were once tops of hills. Boats are the main mode of transport in Kaptai. They carry people and goods to every corner of this vast lake. Some settlements are completely unreachable by land, and the lake is full of islands, some of which are being transformed into restaurants and resorts. Do you see the color of this water? And what a unique landscape! We stopped near an island so that Seveli and I get to swim a bit. And boy, did we love swimming there. The water seemed clean, no snakes or leeches or anything like that in sight, so the experience there was fantastic. After that, we dried up and sailed to an island hotel, or hotel island, where we docked for the night. The next morning, we enjoyed seeing the lake wake up. The guys did their thing, we had a quick breakfast and started the day. Day 2 was super busy, so we traveled by speedboat to be able to see as much as we could.
Снимаю.
We started off with some canoeing. But clearly I wasn't into it. Then it was time for sightseeing. First stop was a bridge. I failed to see what was so special about it, but we took pictures, pet some goats, and headed to the next spot. We were getting deeper and deeper into Rangamati, and the landscape changed. It was a waterfall. Sadly, all dried up because the actual waterfall season is monsoon, and right after it, we were way off with our timing. Another leg of the refreshing speedboat ride. And we got to visit a local market. Where Sharafat had the time of his life.
Yes. Looks believable.
But really it's for that part.
We noticed people eating pineapples almost like lollipops. Chattagram Hill Tracts, to which Rangamati belongs, is famous for producing most delicious fruit through traditional agricultural techniques. It was yummy and incredibly cheap, for just 10 taka a piece. Quite a bargain.
Sladенький.
Then we had a hearty traditional meal on yet another of these islands.
Местных этих?
Это порта. Это чутки, которая сушеная рыбка. Да. Это овощи. Мне кажется, это все не местное, а вот это вот местное.
And headed back home because we still had a bus to Chittagong to catch. On the way, we witnessed some locals fishing, and I just have to share this with you. Kaptai is home to ethnic minorities who speak Sino-Tibetan languages, similar to those spoken in northeastern states of India and in Myanmar. Note how men and women work shoulder to shoulder. I love to see this traditional way of smoking through a bamboo pipe. This was a wonderful ending to our trip. It was a wonderful experience. I loved it very much, and I really wish that I could visit Rangamati and Kaptai Lake again and experience more of how the locals live there and learn more about the local cultures. Thank you for watching. Ta-da!